Hello, my dear student. This is the continuation part of parliamentary terminology. In the previous video, we have discussed the main terminologies, but there are several others also which we shall discuss in this video. So, moving on to the parliamentary terms, the first one is what is meant by act in parliament. Act is a bill passed by both houses of parliament and assented to by the president. That is, it is a bill that is passed by both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and it has to be signed by the president. Then it is called as a act. Now, what is a ad hoc committee? Ad hoc committee I have already explained in the previous video in the parliamentary committee. So a committee constituted by the house or by the chairman or by the presiding officer of both the houses jointly to consider and report on specific matter and becomes functions officio as soon as the task is completed, which means this committee is specially designed to perform a particular task, and once the task is been completed it will be dissolved. Then, adjournment of debate. Adjournment of debate means adjournment on a motion adopted by the House of the debate on motion resolution bill on which the House is then engaged until a future day or sine die as specified in the motion. So, adjournment of a debate is again adopted by the House, and this is meant for the debate on a motion, resolution, or it might be on the bill on which the House is particularly engaged, and it will be engaged until the day, future day, or a sine die as specified in that particular motion. Sine die, as I told you all, it's a Latin word which means it was been explained in the previous terminology, which means the without assigning a day for further meeting or hearing. Then again, adjournment of the sitting of the house. Termination of sitting of the house, which meets again at the same at the time appointed for the next sitting. So adjournment of the sitting of the house means termination of sitting of the house, which meets again at the time appointed for the next sitting. Next one is adjournment sine die. Again, termination of sitting of the house without any definite date being fixed for the next sitting. Then is appropriation bill. Appropriation bill means a money bill passed annually and providing for the withdrawal of appropriate form and out of consolidated fund of India of money voted by Lok Sabha and monies charged on the consolidated fund for the services of financial year or a part of financial year. Ballot, a process to determine inter se priority of more than one notice through a draw of lot. So this is the meaning of ballot. Bill, the draft of legislative proposal but in the proper form which when passed by both houses of parliament and assented by the president becomes an act. Next is budget. Annual financial statement of estimated receipts and expenditure of the government of India in respect of financial year is called as a budget. The budget is laid in Rajya Sabha in two parts, that is through the railway budget and general budget. Next is bulletin. Bulletin means the bulletin of Rajya Sabha. It is published in two parts. Part 1 contains brief record of proceedings of the House at each of its sitting, and Part 2 contains the informations or any matter relating to or connected with the business of the House of committees or other matter which in the opinion of chairman may be included. Calendar or sitting. A calendar showing the provisional days on which Rajya Sabha is to sit and nature of business to be transacted by it on those days. Calling attention. A procedure whereby a members call the attention of minister to a matter of urgent public importance. The minister makes a brief statement thereon and therefore the members seek clarification. Casting vote. The vote cast by the chairman or a member acting as such in the house and by the chairman or member acting as such in committee in case of equality of votes on matter. Crossing the floor. Passing between the members addressing the house and the chair, which is considered breach of parliamentary etiquette. Demand for grants. Earmarking of budgetary allocation for meeting the plan and non-plan expenditure of ministry department. Division, the mode of arriving at decision on a proposed measure or questioned before the House by recording votes for or against it. Draw a lot, a method applied to determine the relative precedence of private members' bills and resolutions, notices of questions, half an hour discussions, or any other notice given by more than one member simultaneously for being taken up on the same day. Expunction, deletion of words, phrases, or expressions from the proceedings or records of Rajya Sabha. Finance Bill, a bill ordinarily introduced every year to give effect to the financial purpose of the Government of India for the following financial year and includes a bill to give effect to supplementary financial proposal for any period.